Hi guys, it's me again. I'm Fritz D. Remitiso. Our topic today is Introduction to Programming. What is a programming? Programming is the process of design, writing, testing, and maintaining instruction that a computer follows to perform a specific task. Using a programming language to create software, apps, website, and other digital solution. Ang programming kuno is usa ka proseso sa pag-design, pagsulat, o pag-testing, o maintaining instruction that a computer follows to perform a specific task. Sa paggamit sa programming language is makabuhat ka og software, apps, website ug uban pang digital solution. History of programming. Early beginnings, 80s to 1940s, Charles Babbage proposed the idea of a mechanical computer, the analytical engine in the 1830s. Ada Lovelace wrote the first algorithm intended to be a process by a machine, the analytical engine, in the 1840s. Herman Hollerith developed a mechanical tabulator for a data processing in the 1880s. So si Charles Babbage is nagpropose siya og idea sa mechanical computer which is ang analytical engine. Then si Ada Lovelace nagsulat siya og pinakaunang algorithm intended to be a process by a machine. Then si Herman Hollerith nakadevelop siya og nakadevelop siya sa mechanical tabulator for data processing in the 1880s. History of programming. The birth of modern programming, 1940s to 1950s. Conrad Zuse built the first electronic computer, the Z3, in the 1940s. Alan Turing proposed the theoretical foundations of modern computer science, including the concept of the universal Turing machine. John Markley and J. Presper Eckert developed the ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer, one of the general-purpose electronic computers. Si Conrad is siya kuno ang first nga nakabuhat sa electronic computer. Then si Alan is nag-propose siya sa kan theoretical foundation of modern computer science. Then si John og si Presper is sila ang nag-develop sa ENIAC or electronic numerical integrator and computer. History of programming. The development of programming languages, 1950s to 1960s. Short code developed in the 1940s. It was one of the first programming language. Assembly language emerged in 1950s, allowing programmers to write machine-specific code using symbolic representation. Fortran developed in the 1950s. It was the first high-level programming language. COBOL developed in the 1950s and 1960s. It was one of the first business-oriented programming language. So ang shortcut ko daw is mao ang pinakauna nga programming language nga na-develop in 1940s. Then ang assembly language is emerged in the 1950s. Gi-allow sa mga programmers nga isuwat sa machine or specific codes gamit ang symbolic representation. Ang Fortran is developed in the 1950s. Mao ang pinakauna nga high-level nga programming language. Then COBOL is na-develop siya is 1950s and 1960s. Isa siya sa pinakauna nga business-oriented programming language. History of programming. The rise of modern programming, 1970s to 1980s. C developed in the 1970s, it becomes a widely used programming language. Object-oriented programming emerged in the 1970s and 1980s with language like Smalltalk and C++. Personal computers become widely available in the 1980s, democratizing access to programming. Ang C ko daw is na-develop siya sa in 1970s. Then pagkabuo niya, nahimo siyang widely used programming language. Then ang object-oriented programming is na-emerge in 1970s o 1980s. Nasay language nga pareha ning Smalltalk and C++. Ang personal computers na kuan siya kaning tawag biktima na pagkamugna niya na nabuhat siyang o na buo siya nga widely available na siya sa in 1980s. Then access na siya sa programming. History of programming. Internet and beyond 1990s to present. World Wide Web emerged in the 1990s, enabling with widespread access to information and online services. Java, developed in 1990s, it becomes a popular language for web development, open source software. Gained popularity in the 1990s and 2000s with projects like Linux and Apex. Apache. Cloud computing emerged in the 2000s is enabling the on-demand access to computing resources. Artificial intelligence and machine learning become increasingly prominent in the 2010s with application in areas like computer vision and natural language processing and robotics. Ang World Wide Web ko na daw is nabuo siya is in the 1990s. Then widespread access na kanan siya na widespread access to information and online services din siya. Then ang Java is na-develop ang Java in the 1990s. Nabugna siya nga nahimo siyang popular nga language para sa website website development. Then ang open source software is gained popularity in the 1990s and 2000s. Nasa project nga pareha ng Linux kanang mga kami daw built-in software mga na. Then ang cloud computing is emerged in 2000s, enabling demand access to computing resources. Then ang artificial intelligence and machine learning is na it become increasingly implemented in the 2000s with nasay application siyang lugar nga kapareha ng computer visions, natural language processing and robotics. Next is algorithm. Algorithm are step-by-step set as instruction or rules designed to solve a problem or perform a task. It is a well-defined procedure that takes an input, process it through a series of steps and produce an output. Algorithms are the foundation of computers programming, enabling developers to create efficient and effective solution for a wide range of problems. So ang algorithm ko daw kay step by step, nasa step by step nga instructions or rules gidesign para ma-solve ang problem or perform a task. It will define procedure that takes in an input process. Kung it-through a series of steps ang procedures and output. Algorithms kay usa ka foundation of computer programming nga paano ang developers to mabuo o mabuhat ang efficient and effective solution for a wide range of problems. Mao siya ang development cycle. First is defining and analyzing the problem. Second is planning the solution. Third, coding the solution. Fourth, test and debugging the solution. Five, implementation. And six, maintenance and documentation. This is defining and analyzing the problem. Developers focus on understanding the issues at hand, gathering requirements from stakeholders, and identifying an limitation or constraints. This helps create a clear plan and ensure the solution meets the desired goals and expectation. So ang developers kay focus sila sa pagsabot sa ilang issue nga naggihawiran giduring sa requirements gikan sa tag-iya. Then i-identify nila ang any limitation or constraints para tabangan nila ang tabangan nila nga pagbuhat sa kaning limpyo nga plano og og limpyo nga plano og ilang solusyon nga makuha nila ang goals and mga kuha lang goals and expectation. Planning and solution. Developers design strategy to solve the problem. This includes selecting the right technologies, creating a detailed plan, and outlining the steps needed to build the solution. It helps ensure that the project is completed efficiently within scope and meets all requirements. Ang developers is design nila ang strategy para mabuo nila ang para ma-solve nila ang problema, then ilang include ang selecting the right technologies, ilang gibuo ang detailed plan and outlining the steps kinahanglanon para sa solusyon. Then makatabang po ang pag-ensure that the project is completed efficiently nga naay scope and meets all requirements. Coding the solution. Developers write the code to implement the solution as per the plan and design. This involves translating the requirements into functional software using selected programming language and tools, and ensuring that the code is efficiently readable and meets the project's goals. Ang developers is nagsulat nila ang code to implement para silang solusyon o para silang plano, design. Then involved na diri ang translating the requirements padulong dito sa functional softwares gamit ang selected programming language and tools, o ilang ensuring that the code is efficiently readable and meets the project goals. Test and debug the solution. Developers thoroughly test the code to identify and fix any errors or bugs. This includes running different test cases to ensure the solution works as expected in various scenarios. Debugging and involves finding and resolving issues in the code to ensure the program is reliable, functional, and perform as well. So ang developers ko is sure nila ang pag-test sa code, then i-identify nila og ilang effects kung naa ba error or bugs, then ang kuan po nila napoy lahi-lahi nga pag-test sa cases to ensure the solution. Then pag-debugging involves nga findings and resolving issues the code to ensure the program reliable. Then functional po ng program and perform as well. Next is implementation. Solution is developed and integrated into the target environment. This includes installing the software, setting it up for use, and ensuring that all components work together as planned. The goal is to make the solution available to end users and ensure it performs correctly in a real-world setting. Ang solution is ilang i-deploy og ang integrated padulong sa target environment. Then nakabutang na ang installing the software, setting up for use, and ensuring that all components work together as planned. Then ang goal is makabuo sa solution nga available sa end users and user it performs correctly padung sa real world setting. Maintenance and documentation. Solution is regularly updated and maintained to ensure it continues to function properly over time. This includes fixing any bugs, making improvements, and updating features as needed. Documentation is created to provide clear instructions for users and developers, helping them understand how to use and maintain the system. So, ang solution is regular na yun siya na nag-update and then maintain to para ma-ensure continue ang functions properly over time. Nakabutan po ang fixings ang pag-fix sa bisan unsa nga bugs nga mga bag-o nga bugs para then napoy improvements o pag-update sa features is importante gyud. Ang documentation is gibuhat siya para na-provide og limpyo nga instructions para sa mga manggagamit sa mogamit og sa mga developers. Dugang po ang pagtabang ana sa ila para pag unsaon pagsabot, unsaon paggamit o unsaon maintain ang system. Importance of problem analysis. Number one is clarifies the problem. Number two is defines clear requirements. Three, prevent scope creep. Four is identifies constraints. Five, optimizes solution. Six, reduce risk. Seven, save time and cost. Eight, enhance communication. Nine, improve quality of the end product. The intellectual disparity between humans and machine lies in humans. Ability to think creatively, feels emotion, make ethical decision, and adapt flexibility, while machine excels at process large data sets, performing repetitive tasks, and following predefined algorithms without true understanding or consciousness. Next is modeling method. Refers to creating abstract representation models of real-world systems or problem to understand, analyze, and solve them more effectively. It involved breaking down complex system into simpler, instructed, structured models like flowcharts, diagrams, or mathematical models that help develop, visualize, and design solution before implementation. Ang kuan ginawa, ang gibuhat ang abstract representation dito para sa real world system or mga problems para masabtan nila o ma-analyze then solve them more effectively, then involved na po ang breaking down complex system into simpler. Then structured na po ang models pareha ng flowcharts, diagrams, and mathematical models. Then tabang na po ang mga developers para visualize, designs, solution, then ang implementation. Here are the common programming languages, which is Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Then thank you. That's it. Bye bye.